Hello, everybody. This is Cody Wyman here from the English 101 course. In this lecture, we're going to expand. Last lecture, we went into just the overview of all the parts of speech that there are that we're going to be covering in this course. But then, now we're going to go into them each individually. And this one is talking about nouns. So, a noun, make sure you're taking notes now. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Repeat. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, the pencil is over there on the desk. There are two nouns in the above sentence. Can you identify them? What are the two objects? Person, place, thing, or idea. If you've answered pencil and desk, you're right. There are a few different types of nouns. These include proper nouns, i.e. names of places, names of people, different concepts, different ideas. They're all nouns. Now, proper nouns are different from the basic noun, whereas the basic noun identifies a person, place, or thing abstractly without a capitalized printed name. The proper noun names the person, place, or thing with a capitalized name often. For example, Peter goes to the store today. In this sentence, Peter is the proper noun, hence the underline. All right? So Peter is a person, but he has a name. And so instead of saying the boy or the man goes to the store today, like we could say, that would be a regular noun. The proper noun would be Peter, citing him by name. Okay? So those are the different types of nouns. If you need any more examples, I have a worksheet that is going to be attached in the resources section. Please go and do the attached worksheet on nouns in the resources. And if you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A or the comments. And I will see you in the next section where we talk about verbs.